when the Mapsa JMFC court granted bail to Ajay Gupta, who is an accused in the case registered by Mapsa police for forging documents to obtain the excise license for Birch nightclub. Soon after the order of the Mapsa JMFC court, Goa government filed a petition before the High Court seeking cancellation of bail of Ajay Gupta. The contention of the state was that Ajay Gupta would be required for custodial confrontation with Luthra brothers. It was contention of the Goa government that Ajay Gupta will be required for confronting the Luthra brothers once Mapsa police gets custody of Luthra brothers. But pending that petition before the High Court, Mapsa police got the custody of Luthra brothers. They were in police custody for the custodial interrogation, and later on the Mapsa JMFC court also granted bail to Saurabh and Gaurav Luthra. But when this matter came up for hearing on Thursday before the High Court, pleading not to dispose of this petition, Goa government submitted that they are preparing a separate petition pleading to cancel the bail granted to Luthra brothers also, means bail granted to Saurabh and Gaurav Luthra are also going to be challenged before the High Court. Noting the submission made by Goa government, the High Court has granted liberty to Goa government to file petition, and even the liberty is granted to mention this matter before the vacation bench for hearing. It is expected that if the petition is filed by Goa government, then this matter may come up for hearing on 20th May. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.